But the issues are the child I got this for doesn't eat. It's okay. Breast milk currently is now a snack, not a food. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's me Talks here. All things lifestyle, UGC, and stuttering. I think a trend has been happening in my life. Whenever I get a product, is skincare products, maybe a day after or two, or max a week after, I will see someone saying this skincare stinks, it is this, it is that. Like, I got this sunscreen. The next day I was seeing it on the internet, on TikTok, that this sunscreen stinks, it gets into the eyes, it does this, it does that, and I'm just like, no problem. And the highest thing is that I won't apply that on my face anymore. It would be for my body. And I had one that I got a week after. I was hearing it's fake. It's the fake one that they stopped, doing this a long time ago and all that. I'm just like, I beg you, should leave me alone. You should let me be. I like to use this shea butter to apply the oil over my body. I have dry skin. I also, in this one, I won't argue it so much. I also got this perf, the Victoria's Secret mist. And it was yesterday on TikTok I was hearing, it's fake, that the original one is I think it's about $20 each, and this one is not even up to $2. So this one I understand it's fake, but y'all did not say it on time. I have it already, and I'm gonna apply it all over my body. Don't care. So my child is asleep, and I have to do some work. Currently it's 11:38. My room is a mess, but it's my mom's fault. Me, I go tie wrapper at this age. I beg go on leave me. I've slimmed down. I'm gonna buy reggae film for like. But aqua was about aqua. It was so So it's time to arrange my bed. This room is mine, but it's used mostly by my mother. She prefers my bed to hers, so she's always in my room. But she would never dress the bed. She would never do it. So it's my room, so I have to do it as well. 12:01. So my child's toy go here. This diaper somewhere around here. So I use this, and this is a frying spoon, a flat head frying spoon, but it's what I use. Edges out like this. With this, I put it. They are all where are the flyaways? Nowhere to be found. Ta-da! When I was pregnant, I had high hopes. I had the hopes of having a child who would eat, who would love food, who I would start feeding solid food at 5 months and all that. So I got this set of silicone baby feeding set. Yeah, I actually know it's in pink. The vendor made a mistake. I ordered for green, and she sent a pink, but she was polite, so I was like, it's fine. So a pink set. But the issues are the child I got this for doesn't eat. We have to first feed him with food because a child who is almost 8 months now, he won't be having his full time food on me. Breast milk currently is now a snack, not a food. So I don't feel so happy, but I know that in times to come he would still use this. It's so fine, you know, having his maybe oats to the side, his scrambled egg here, and just something. A diaper refill. Our diaper stash is down. Okay. Mommy, bring that scissors from kitchen. Sorry. Thank you, my love. It's time for a refill. If you ask every mom and their moms what diaper is the best in Nigeria currently, most people will tell you it's soft care, it's the red one, soft care, the red one. I actually used the blue one last. This, okay, this, but everyone says that this is the best. I actually used this earlier on when I was in the hospital when I had just given birth. I used this, but because then I was not seeing well, I just had a baby I had to take care of and all that. So I don't know if it's good. So I think this is my first time of trying this with a clear eye. He now wears a size 4, and this is a size 4. It's called a large, and it's 7 pieces. This is the biggest stash that you can buy. Diaper stashes. So yeah, that's just about being a mom. So that's just a snippet, just a little snippet about being a mom. So if they always say as a new mom, when your child is asleep, sleep, so you could have rest. Tell them that there are so many other things to do. You would have to eat, you have to play, take care of yourself. If you work from home, that's another issue on its own and all that. So I think I still have a little more time. So let me see if I can get some other work done. And bye.